Hey nail addicts, let's paint Buttercup. I'm using I Want Candy as my base color, and then I'm going in with Baby Doll and my Hella Cute liner brush to outline her head. To sketch out her design like a pencil, I'm using my shading gel black and getting the outline of her hair and her inside facial features. After drawing out her angry eyebrows, go ahead and draw out where her eyes are going, and now we're gonna draw out her arm right here and her body. After you've laid down where everything is gonna go ahead and go in with your favorite white gel polish and fill in her eyes. Taking a darker green gel polish, we're gonna draw out the circles on the inside of her eyes. Using that same green, we're gonna also fill in her dress. Then with that same nude color, we're gonna fill in both of her arms. Taking the best black liner gel, now we're just gonna outline everything and bring her to life. Try to load your brush to make extremely fine lines when doing the facial features. It's gonna make your character really pop. And you always wanna go bolder on your characters with the outside lines. Now we're just gonna fill in her eyes on both sides and go ahead and outline her body. You guys, this is a highly requested character, so go ahead and save this and try it in your next nail art design. I'm gonna fill in her little belt on her dress right here, and then on her feet, make sure you leave the little white spots for her shoes. Go ahead and outline her arms, and then we're gonna add her hair on each side of her head. Now we gotta get really thin, so I'm switching to the 9mm liner brush and doing a sideways U. Make the perfect little mouth, some sideways ovals for her eyes, and look at this, you guys. You just painted Buttercup. Can you believe it? Look at it, so cute. Who should we paint next?